Nordic Hands by Anita Osterhaug is a wonderful presentation of Scandinavian textiles and culture and how they relate together. Great information here at the back of all kinds, and great pictures of different projects at different levels. These are some bands that I wove that made it into the book for towel hangers, and some woven projects, but also a lot about Scandinavian culture and how the fiber arts fit into the culture. And they're complicated projects, they're really easy projects. Some lace here, some knitted lace. Projects of all levels. There's some rigid heddle projects, some beautiful pillows, and great text and pictures, as you can see. And there's even some napkins in here by our beloved neighbor and weaver Lisa Hill, and knitted teapot cozies. And so you can see it's just a really rich collection of information and stories and great little projects and big projects. So this is really a delight to look through and read through Nordic Hands.